This will be an iCloud demo for MySongbook. Now first I'm going to back up my phone here so you can see what I got going on. I got my Mac, and on my Mac I am running MySongbook. The latest M1 Macs can run the latest version of MySongbook, and then on this side I got my iPad just leaned up against the screen here. It's the same software running on both these devices. Let me get this set up. And in this latest release, I'll go over here on Mac. I'm using the mouse. You can see I'm running version 5.09, and then over here use your finger, of course. Running version, make that 5.09. Okay, and it's from the settings here that you can see the iCloud files. So I'll go back from settings, and then here in iCloud files, and it'll show list recent backup. You can here. Now there can be individual songs that you can save, or you can do full backups. And I will mention that there's also this flag now that will kind of watch to see if it thinks you need to do a backup, and you can have tell you when the last one. You can run it. You can ignore this so you don't see the message for 1 to 3 days, or you can just say okay, and the message will stay there. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to back up the Mac version of my library, and then I'm going to access it through iCloud on the iOS version. I could do the backup from here. You could go export, send full backup. You could select songs just like before, anything else. I'm going to do send full backup, and because iCloud is enabled, you'll get this with email or iCloud. Email's the old way. You create the .mysongbook file and you can mail it, or you can say send it to iCloud. And then once it's done, you'll say success, been sent to iCloud. You notice that the backup required indicator went away, and now if we go into settings, recent backup, now you see it says today. And if we click on this, we can see in here, here's that full backup. Now I'm going to go over to the iPad, and we'll look at this. So I'll go over here and tap on settings, iCloud files. Now, it's reading this from the internet, so you have to be connected, and if not, you can always hit the refresh to try to get it to go read them again. And sometimes there's lag with Apple in terms of what it does. But here's that full backup, and here you can just simply tap on it, and you can load it just like you would from an email file. Load file, you'll get this normal import dialog. You can update and skip songs just like before, and you hit import, it'll import them in. You'll see some new songs came in, and that's all it takes. You also have the options to do the full backup from here and some sorting options. It's very powerful. You can also delete these. Let's send a single song over. Actually, we'll leave this here. And now I'm going to come back here on the MacBook, and let's just go and export a single song. I'm going to do this one. So it checked it, send selected, and we have all these powerful options, but let's do a MySongbook file, and again, then we can decide where we want it to go. We're going to send it to iCloud this time. Okay, it's been sent successfully. Now we may see it show up here on this side automatically. It does refresh. There it went, and there are some indicators here that show it was downloading, and now it's downloaded. And then from here again, we can then tap on it, and we can load the file just like before. And you can delete them here too. You swipe, delete. There's some information about the delete that what's going on, and you can say delete now. Now the deletes take a little bit longer because it has to propagate. And if we go look over here, we may or may not see that file still. Okay, so it has been deleted from over here as well. Let me know if there's any questions. Thank you.